Here's how to set up ISLC, Intelligent Standby List Cleaner, to free up RAM and reduce latency during gaming. Open your browser and go to the ISLC download link from the description. Scroll down and click Download ISLC here. Extract the downloaded zip file and double-click the ISLC application. Click Yes, then Agree. Inside ISLC, leave the first box at its default value. For the second box, free memory is lower than, you need to calculate your value. Open Task Manager, then go to Performance, then click the three dots and select Resource Monitor. Go to the Memory tab and check your installed memory value. Divide that number by 2 and paste the result into ISLC's second box. Check both checkboxes in ISLC. Set the wanted timer resolution to 0.5. Check Use Global Timer Resolution Requests, then restart your PC. After restarting, open ISLC again and now check Enable Custom Timer Resolution. If you're on Windows 11, check the Windows 11 box first, restart, then reopen and enable Custom Timer Resolution. This order matters, and skipping it causes it not to work. Once set up, click Start. Click Purge Standby List a few times manually to immediately free up standby RAM. Watch your available memory increase in real time. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.